Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I am making a little bit of a Valentine's heart topper that will go into either a vase of flowers, or you could almost use it on a cake if you wanted to as well. My intention was to stick pom-poms around this foam heart. However, pom-poms and some glue doesn't mix. So this one was a disaster. If you are gluing anything onto polystyrene, then the glue of choice is your typical white PVA glue. So this is what I'm doing now. I've just picked out a few different ribbons and I'm doing a bit of an ombre effect. I've had these ribbons for ages, I'm not using them. So I thought I would bring you in just for this last part where I'm covering the heart with the ribbon. And then moving on to the next bit. Now in order to make this ribbon ombre, I am going to double back a little bit on where I've already been. And I'll just pop a pin in there just to hold it. That's already got some glue on it and it's gotten a bit tacky, which is fine. And I'm just going to continue wrapping this around. And I have doubled back a little bit just so that it has a little bit more of that ombre effect rather than just finish off that little bit there on the corner. So just three little lengths of ribbon have done this. If you had the same coloured ribbon, you could easily have just gone through and done it like that. Like I said, I already have PVA on the polystyrene foam. I'm just going to continue wrapping that as firmly as I can to this point. Take that one out. And then I'm going to need a little bit more, and I will just apply it straight to the ribbon here. And pin that in place once I've got to the end of that ribbon. So that's the wrapped ribbon look. Actually this side's a little bit better. I'll go with this one. So I just need to wait for that to dry, and then I'm going to work out whether or not I do anything with the pom-poms. The other thing that I want to do is use this, so I'm going to wrap this in some ribbon as well, or some washi tape actually. And then maybe attach this now that the ribbon's there with some hot glue. I don't know if that will deteriorate the polystyrene or not, and whether I might be better off just sort of putting something at the back. Fortunately, I have got a ton of washi tapes, so this is going to be a good way of using them up. Just going to make my way down the wooden dowel, just at a slight angle. And I reckon that I'm probably not going to use the pom-poms at all in this one. I couldn't get them to stick. Like I said, I was having trouble with that, so I sort of gave up on that bit and went across to the ribbon. If I can get a couple on there, we'll try, but I don't know if that will look silly. And then tear off. So there we have the stick, and I want to attach that to the very back of the heart. All right, here's my update. This is going to go into the bin, unfortunately. Hate doing that. The stick that I was going to try to put on the back, I gave up on that because it did look like it was actually making a difference to the polystyrene underneath. So what I have done is I went and got a crafting kit from Spotlight. It had lots of stickers on it, so you could use any stickers that you have that might be of the Valentine's Day theme. And I took this one here, which just says love you, and I've mounted on some white and then some pink and just fussy cut around the outside. And on the back I used some of that Loctite glue and just popped a little bit of that washi tape over the top. And that's going to be at the bottom of my heart here. And from that same sticker sheet I took a love you, and this is going to go onto this heart. This heart here is a very big 3D type heart, and I just took one of those flat wooden sticks, and if you can see that there, covered it with the same washi tape, left about that much at the end, and I've just pushed it up into the polystyrene foam, so that's not going anywhere at all. And for this piece, I'm going to cover in some wool. I'm just going to give this a spray of spray adhesive, and then we're going to come back and start winding around. Otherwise the wool's just going to keep slipping off and it'd be an absolute disaster. Hopefully that doesn't have anything in it that's a bit dodgy and will cause the polystyrene to go a bit weird. I'm just going to get that down the floor so I can get into it. So yeah, so just winding around the heart now, and that very first bit of spray adhesive is just going to help that wool stick, and then you can go ahead and spray some more on if you feel like it's sort of getting stuck in places. Okay, now to tie this one off, probably just going to make my way back down loosely to the base. All right, it's been a day. I actually went in and did some other stuff, so this has had plenty of time to dry, and it has dried really well. So here's my very first one. So I can take that pin out of there now and put that back, and that's attached quite well. It's on the paper, it's a little bit flimsy, but it will be fine. And now it's just a matter of doing some decorating. So I found a whole ton of ribbon that I've had for a long time, and some pretty gold hearts that I'll be able to cut up and use on the project as well. So I think I might start with the heart over here, and I'm going to start with tying a ribbon down on the bottom. So to make sure that my ribbon doesn't fray, you do cut it on an angle like so. Just going to wait for my heat gun to warm up, and then we'll pop that one on. The red and the black might be a little bit too harsh for this project, so I might save that one for the next one. And then I've got this really pretty tulle that I thought would be really cute. So I don't know if I can get a ribbon out of that. Actually, probably not going to see it. So I think I might just tie some off and sort of let it hang down a little bit. I'm not sure. And then with these gold hearts, I thought I need to attach this, so that can be done with a hot glue as well. And then there are these hearts. So whether or not I do like a couple of hearts along here, so I can put 3 hearts up there. I can put a heart on either side of the love you on this one here, just to give it a bit of bling. And there you have it, 2 pretty cool Valentine's Day decorations that you could use in a variety of different ways. Like I said, it could just be that I was thinking about it the other night, and you could even just attach these into sort of like a heavy block, whether that's a casting block. I do have some resin, crete, so I could potentially do something like that, and then you can just have it sort of sitting up on its own. So I'm not sure how I'm going to decorate these. I was thinking more about putting them just inside a vase with maybe some lollipops and things like that, and decorate it up that way. But for the moment, I have them finished, and then I can kind of work out what I might like to do with them next. So this is just a bit of fun with a little bit of scrap materials and bits and pieces that you might have lying around. So I hope you've enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed this video today. Just having a little bit of fun in the craft room for Valentine's Day. I've got a couple little Valentine's Day projects coming up on the channel in the lead up to February 14th. So this is the first one. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.